Hello dear viewers. Today I want to discuss about anti-pumping which is incorporated with each and every circuit breaker. Please watch the video. What is anti-pumping? A feature is incorporated in the circuit breaker whereby in the event of a permanent fault, a repeated operation of the circuit breaker are prevented when the closing impulse is longer than the sum of protective relay and the circuit breaker operating times. The pumping operation occurs when both closing and opening commands are present simultaneously. It is desired when closed trip operation is performed with the closing coil energized. Subsequent closing operation should be prevented. This is ensured by the anti-pumping device. There are so many anti-pumping device APD is available from different makers. Some picture is given to give a primary conception regarding this. Different circuit breaker makers have used different APD for their own according to choice. A high-speed contractor with one NO and one NC may also be used for this purpose. Circuit diagram connection of two types of APD are shown here. Please watch. Please watch the video carefully. This is the TNC switch, tip neutral close switch. Closing command is given to close the circuit breaker. Closing pulse is generated in this direction. Now closing pulse is withdrawn by shifting switch at neutral position. Similarly, tripping command is done to trip the circuit breaker. Tripping impulse is generated in this direction. Now tripping pulse is withdrawn by shifting TNC switch handle at neutral position. Please look at the picture. where there is a circuit breaker, a bus bar, a CT, and a relay for protection of the imaged line. We know if fault appeared at the line, CT senses the fault current beyond its normal presetting value and sends the transformed fault current to the relay. Relay senses the current beyond its presetting current and makes contact to trip the circuit breaker immediately, and circuit breaker trips. Suppose there is no anti-pumping device incorporated with this circuit breaker. Suppose a permanent fault has occurred at the line. If circuit breaker is closed, it will trip instantly. If the circuit breaker is given closing pulse and holding time of the pulse is too long, then firstly circuit breaker will be closed and thereafter will be tripped due to operation of protection relay, which will be energized by the faulty current of the line through the line CT. These incidents will be repeated in numbers till closing pulse as well as fault in the line are remained. Despite of this, the circuit breaker is closed again. The same incident will be happened. But if APD, anti-pumping device, is incorporated with this circuit breaker, it will ensure one-time closing of circuit breaker for one closing pulse by the TNC switch, whatsoever long the impulse may be. Thank you.